Hello guys, hope you are doing good. This is Sharik. Today's session we will discuss about how to screen mirror iPhone or iPad to Windows 10 and how to screen mirror Windows to iPhone or iPad. Guys, if you are first time viewer on my channel, please like, share and subscribe. Guys, do you want to know how to mirror iPhone or iPad to Windows 10? So go to any browser like Chrome or any browser and type Let's View. Once you will type, there is a option Let's View and just click on this application. Open this application. There is an option Let's View for Windows. Yes, it's where I'm looking for Windows. You just need to download this application. Before starting to connect this mirroring screen, where you need to connect with the same network, same Wi-Fi on same network to both devices. Which device you are going to connect? So download this application. So once you have downloaded this application, the setup file will be like this, and you need to double click and install this application. Once you have installed this application, your screen will be appear and start, and you need to also download with your iOS device the same application Let's View. And once you have installed this application, so you can check over here, my devices is connected with this Wi-Fi smooth. So you just need to go to the Passkey connection, or there is an option QR code. You need to open this Let's View application. Go to Passkey and connection. There's two options. You can go with either you can go with the QR code option or Passkey. So once you have started the both screen, you need to type. Suppose I will going to type. First thing I will connect my iOS device to Windows. So there is an option my passkey A4CC8C. I need to type A4CC8C in my iOS device application. Same application we need to install and press on connect. Once I have pressed on connect, I need to select start broadcasting on my iOS device. Once I have started, there will be screen. So if I will do anything on my screen, you can check over here. I have successfully connected to iOS device. So this application you need to download Let's View. You can check over here. I have already downloaded this application. You need to type Let's View. Once you have typed this application, screen mirroring application, you need to download this application in iOS also. Once you have click on screen, you can check this application will be open like this, and currently you are connected with my device, Windows device. So guys, this is the process. You can check casting to Sharik. Okay, this is the process to connect iOS device to Windows. And let's start. How can we connect Windows to iOS device? So I will going to disconnect now. For now, just click on agree. Once so I have disconnected. Now in the same application we can connect from the passkey. There is an option in passkey in both application, iOS application and your Windows application. Go to home screen in iOS device and open the passkey. What is the passkey for your iOS device? You need to press on passkey option. Click on passkey. What is the passkey? So my passkey is 6022B0. This passkey always changing. It's dynamically. You can say it's dynamic passkey. And click on share. Once you will click on share, your screen is sharing with iOS device. You can check on Let's View iPhone. So your screen is sharing with iPhone. So guys, this is the process to mirror screen from Windows to iOS and iOS to Windows. If you love this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.